Hi everybody, I'm kind of showing my dirty laundry a little bit. This is a work area I have in my office. I film a lot of videos here on reviews for smaller projects, and one of the best things I found for illumination are these. I'm going to pronounce it probably goofy, but Jansjo lights. These are LED lights, super bright, nice weighted base. They do have a kind of a felt scratch minimizing sticker you put on the bottom of them, and they are 24 inches long, and they have this completely movable gooseneck. Now I might blow the lens here, but the LED does produce heat. It's super bright. It goes from a nice circle. I use two of them to illuminate things from different areas, different angles, and I've had these for several years. They actually, as far as I know, have stopped producing them, but I was lucky enough to get one additional one on the secondary market, and hopefully IKEA will produce them again. But these are Jansjo 60 centimeter or 24 inch gooseneck lights, LED. They come with a kind of a inline switch like that. It's just simply on and off. Super low power consumption, super longevity for the bulb. Easy care on this thing. It does tell you to avoid strong detergents, but I just, wet cloth, wipe off the dust every now and then. Installation, you just a couple of screws and a sticker and mount the plug, or plug the plug into its little transformer. Comes in a real flat box. I've had these things for several years and I've had nothing but good luck with them. I use them for a variety of photos and pictures and videos like this one, but today I'm actually talking about the products I use to produce my other videos. This is the Jansjo, or the Jansjo. I always love my IKEA reviews. Gooseneck light. I recommend it, and I would really like IKEA to come back and make more of these. That's it. Thanks for watching.